How to make a game pass in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we are here to assist you step by step in the process of creating a game pass on Roblox using your mobile device. So now, let's get started. First of all, you have to close the Roblox application and open your Google Chrome web browser. Look at the address bar and type in create.roblox.com and hit enter. After reaching the website, proceed on the login option if you're not logged in yet. And once you're signed in, navigate to the top left corner where you will see the three lines. Click on these lines to reveal the menu options and select Creations. Ensure that the Experiences is chosen by default, and within this section, you will find your existing experience listed. Now select the one for which you wish to create a game pass. Click on the desired experience and then once again access the menu by clicking on the three lines at the top left corner and scroll down to the bottom of the menu until you locate the monetization products. Under that, click on passes and you will see the list of game passes associated with your game. To create a new pass, select Create a Pass and you will then be prompted to upload an image for the pass and provide a name and description. Fill in the necessary details such as an example name for the pass and click on Create Pass as well. Congratulations, now you have successfully created a game pass. To make it available for the purchase, click on the pass once more and then click on the menu by clicking on the three lines at the top left corner, choose cells and toggle the switch to put the pass on the cell. Enter the price for the pass, keeping in mind that you will retain 70% of the sales revenue. Once you have set the price, click on Save Changes and your pass is now available for the purchase. To view the pass details, click on the three lines at the top left, go to Experience and scroll down to Passes. The pass you created will be listed here, and if you wish to share the pass link, click on the three dots at the top right of the pass image and select Open in a new tab. And by following these simple instructions, you can easily create, list, and sell a game pass on Roblox. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.